Somebody without someone is no one at all.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's up, my life-size Barbies and kids? It's your girl Petite Alici, and I'm back with another hitter. As you can tell by the title, today I will be upscaling, thrift flipping, fitting, whatever you want to call it, some jeans that I got from, you already know, Goodwill. You already know how much, 50 cents. And I'm just gonna show you guys how I did it. But first, before we get into good stuff, you already know the dealio. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, turn on your post notification bell so you are notified every time your girl posts a new fashion video. And let's talk about something before we get into it. I now have Petite Alici merchandise available at petitealici.com. I will link it down below. I have a variety of different colors. Color camo, this is actually the most popular one here. I also have a pink one as well. These shirts are in men's sizes, small, medium, and large. So go ahead and check out the t-shirts for me if you're interested at the price of $22.90. If you use the discount Petite15. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so as you can see, these pants were a bit oversized. Safe to say that they are ugly. I don't know what section I got these out of. I think it's the women's. It looks like it belongs to either a 13-year-old fat boy would wear or an older fat lady who eats powdered donuts with warts on her face. For some reason, I was like, yep, I want those. What does that say about me? The vision that I had for them was just to transform them into something high-waisted, cute, and flare, and I just love the pockets on the sides. I think that's what really drew me to them. And then it didn't have pockets on the butt, so I could alter them in the middle, which is my favorite thing to do rather than when you do it like on the inside of the pocket. I forgot what it's called. I did a video on that too, so go ahead and check that out because that'll be linked below. What I ended up doing here was flipping the pants inside out, and where the butt crack area was, I ended up pulling the extra fabric, like pinning them up to have... Shut up! Hold up! How are you growling at yourself in the mirror? Just dumb. Anyways, pulling the excess fabric out of the butt crack, pretty much taking a Sharpie along my butt crack and, you know, where I wanted to fit the pants or where they would fit nicely to my size. I ended up taking the pants off, folding the pants in half, and I sewed as best as I could along this line of the pants. It wasn't a straight line to begin with, so I give myself a pass with this one. I had messed up the belt loop, ended up turning out a little funky actually, to be honest. Half of the belt loop hanging out that was supposed to be sewn like in the fold part. Yeah, I had to go back and I had to fix this. So I ended up making the pants a little bit tighter around my waist because of this, so they fit a bit snug. And if I eat, I could possibly pop this button dead ass into the camera and break the screen. I try not to eat in these pants. Yeah. And then the butt crack ended up looking weird to me, so I had to do something about the butt crack. So the fabric that I ended up cutting off the inside, where did I get? Oh no, this was like fabric that I got from the other pants that I did, the other DIY project that I did with the jeans that ended up looking flared in the butt. I ended up taking those hem of those pants and putting it along the butt crack of these pants and kind of giving it like a little 3D effect. If somebody really wanted to snatch me by the butt, they could. This video was really easy. I didn't do much. I sewed a line down the butt crack. So if I wasted your time today, I'm sorry. But yeah, this is how the pants ended up turning out. My friend called them hillbilly pants and said that they were hideous, and I was just like, wow, okay. I actually made these. I actually care about these, but I still think they're cute in a funky, different, ugly way. So thanks for calling my pants ugly. Y'all give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you like the pants. Comment down below if you hate the pants. Comment down below if you would wear the pants or if you would burn them. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, thumbs down if you didn't. Subscribe. Why did I thumbs up for subscribe? Turn on your post notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video. And before you go, let me just remind you. Oh wait, I gotta do that again. Let me remind you that your girl got Petite Alici merch available right now. Link down below, so go ahead, you know, go ahead and get you one. Make sure you use that code petite15. Get you a discount. Get you a discount because we love discounts. I have a variety of colors, and once again, they are in men's sizes. And I also have the purple one, but it's all the way over there, and I don't feel like going to get it. So call me lazy. But until next time, you guys, stay beautiful and stay blessed. Peace.